Well, me a public health physician specialist.
Okay,
More
so
public
them
health
kind.
unit.
Okay.
Me use opportunity we actually me head of units,
Okay.
Dr. Uzo. Me na me head of occupational and preventive sub unit under public health unit, and yeah, share occupational health and safety.
Opemsuo.
Kind of saying hospital environment na is safe for obi obeba ho patients, workers, staff, visitors obia until Hill Confirmatory project here me papa. Afi so me na me share health education and promotion. It said the Rebecca Galamsey ho ase. And then clinical outreach and HIV testing and counseling, you know. Nema we nyina yehwe edi hujuma.
Ebi medo ase wo bra waje se woni ebetwetwe nkomo. Ya ka Galamsey ho nsema ya ne ye kan yen sa ase ammo se no insua ye se no forest ye se no, but let's say ecology ecosystem no, this because the land, the forest, the water bodies, ne bo amanipa ye timitena ene sa ne ma nyina ene ye se no wo hospital enso so be ne de bra ona wo tu so mu nimo ede pa how ne de bra man.
Okay. Ma memfa akwanya yesu nchia etiefo ne ahwefo nyina ma me start ma me beginning ma me sha see
Opemsuo.
say come mining na nyina nim say extractive sector. Mining for also because it contributed to 5% of gross domestic product GDP. Yes. And I know say a lot of miners employment. What you say? And it contributed to export earnings. Into to me eton bi kwa manone enya huska
Bimusunya amabi
adwuma and now only uko mining communities are contributed to development because uko Ashanti Gold abun some hospital, almost schools and all that, all those infrastructural facilities, almost constructed roads and all that. So mining are there here. But then a choir first way a car mining. Your mind before I call into health impact, no mining your two categories. Your large scale mining and your small scale mining. Large scale mining your legally no your momo permits. To Ghana Hanoma your 16 gold mining companies. I am are legally permitted.
Ya mon to me krata edi omujuma se
omutumi di omujuma se mining company. Now no the good thing for them is that more expertise no more ehunim die. Omunim se okay ya mine yen cross as ni say se be ya enya nsunsuanso no be mine no enya nsunsuanso was asene so omusan wo capital expenditure sika no wo infrastructure no omutumi de mine safely and all small scale mining no uba Ghana amanone de small scale mining de illegal
eni hokra
anti no mo de because omuti ase say large scale mining ne de nipa no be use capital into be invest in keeping the environment safe. Into anything away from large scale mining is illegal.
And not some 2 year large scale for them so ya mom to me krata intimrada de oye no
it's regulated, highly regulated.
But
then you buy my muha o hwe ye mana a permitted small scale mining in the first place, but then it's the reserve of only Ghanaians. International say am Ghana phone kwa to me. So to me I small scale mining. But then who here so be go through process acquire license and our permits.
Okay.
And you know our Ghana had the small scale mining is legal. But then there will be more. It's sign quite how me who said I can say a tedious to get license.
And I'm so license are all brand
papa and you know
na crown license don't know
the one
faculty can be A2
no and I won't say baby son who say what's the motivation for small scale mining poverty. Most of our mining areas I realize that ni sika
oni adwuma bia because no mo kasa mo say ye no ne yedidi
enu na edio omonsa komo no nti no omo anye no ade no mbe nti no na main motivation. Okay. And you know that's the difference between large scale and small scale mining. Now, why you fa so kra you manage a small scale mining and na edi insunsuan so bone ba ye nso no. Now say the kind no small scale mining no effect impact on the environment. And I nam sunti na aban ahye say and some obey small scale mining so environmental impact assessment.
Okay.
Until before I be my license, na so impact assessment too. Now we share kwan obefa so ayedin.
To
Protect the environment.
How to reclaim the land.
Reclaim the land and all that. So that means say
Opemsuo.
no and any na enimu say mining no impact on the environment.
Essay
assassin no. Essay yensuo. Inim say essay
ya kwaye
forest reserves. Ye farmer. Intini yenim sa nema we nyina intini ya hye Environmental Protection Agency, Forestry Commission omu nyina no omu regulate kwan a miners eyomo adwuma say be ya insunsun so betimi enya wo environment na so be ye de ebeti but then ye nyane sa afi say ye fa small scale mine omu ye no irresponsibly na insunsun so be na de ba ye kan say asase ne so
Opemsuo.
and environment ne so ye fa yensu a unim say mining no use nsuo pa especially for processing because before obenya gold ore no now we use den we use nsuo ye the mercury na ye den ye dey process
the friends no the
whole gold ne ho mercury ni ye wie so na ye den
ya to gunsuo
ye je gunsuo nim anka large scale mining the anka process a mining water na eco waste treatment plant na a treating no by yenyanesa nti eje gunsuo
na anka yi mercury na friends na agency
good okay by eje mercury gumusa na mercury so bebre nti no insusu I'm talking about public health insusu no enye mine na nko aso etuminya because insunia ade a obiara wo community ho nyina no betumi access science ebenya effect on all of them make need to make fish na say fish wo sa water body no say your friend is insumunam bia make need to make come insu na nkasa no make wo
since you know I make na conference ni to bibia say bibia akra na wo ma aka no
insu ya na yedi dware eno ana ye no eno ana yedi what yedi water ye plants na ye bibia intini ye di yenum nsu a mercury home yenum nsu a mercury home ede na be say na di nsunsu anso ba ye nipa dua no so na nse we hu a kidney diseases on the rise me say we hu a lot of young guys can na nka obeka say oh nipa nenye bia onya hypertension
and notice obi dialysis so when age a onyini nu ba bia but dialysis no I mean or battle with kidney issues
good so all these things are contributing to kidney disease. So mercury now so to me wadwem e cause all sorts of problems.
Abodam. Yan kanisa. Na wuti ba bia 2 mines. Mercury gunsuom.
Yeah.
We say twebi.
Twebi.
Nwu abodam direct because who ku wa wadin ke ku ho.
Yes. Ai. Uye no to nche.
Kumi wo sire ho ye me ba me aba so.
Uye no to nche ya. Nipa no. Oye mine na nkasa no.
On the way oye exposed
because wo no. O mine no use silica. Ebu no mo blast it. O use chemicals.
Okay.
Na e come lungs nim. E come lungs nim. O mu heli. Na cause respiratory mu yare.